what's going on, guys? We are in Hood River this week, and I am cooking with the guys at Grassland Barbecue. Today is Wednesday, and so we're going to be doing some sausage prep, and I'm going to show you guys around what we're doing over here. But it's a super cool spot. I'll show you guys more as the week kind of goes on. But yeah, excited to be here and cook with these new guys. We got Brendan and Drew here. Them wearing the
hi YouTubes.
Just for me.
He was so excited.
Sam, thanks for picking me up.
Oh yeah, man.
It's gonna be a fun weekend.
It was a good drive.
Just real quick, what are the two sauces we're making today?
We're doing our house sausage, which is roasted hatch chilies and cheddar cheese. And then, since you're in town, we're gonna try our hand at a Chicago dog, flavors all smashed into a sausage. So we have not done this before. We're gonna see how it comes out. So we got sport peppers, we're gonna do some diced onion in there. The flavor of the sausage itself is kind of just like seasoned like our hot dog. Celery salt, poppy seeds, and fresh tomatoes because we're in season right now.
How large you guys leave this sausage?
Yeah.
Chicago dog, buddy.
Alright, so we're back from doing the sausage prep. We're going to get the fire started. We're making some more pickles in the truck, and then we're going to get a top run going for the Italian beef that we're going to be doing. So a lot of moving parts today and probably tomorrow, but we got a fun menu going on this week, so this will be a good time. Feel a little more comfortable. I just know most beef places just
Chuck the whole thing in there.
So
yeah. Well, this is really the only part that I'm seeing of that. To this. It's just like, let's for sure get rid of that. Anything besides salt and pepper on there, or just salt and pepper? Hot Lowry's on there? I think we do. That's a little
yeah, why not? Straight from the box.
Boxman.
Peppercorns.
Some old
Peppercorns. You guys got like dried oregano or?
Oh yeah, good call.
Oregano. I'm paying you the big bucks there, Matty Joe.
I'm getting paid too?
Alright, well, it's gonna be a tight fit, but oh, it's nice. A perfect fit. A perfect fit.
Alright guys, so we just got the beef on there, so we're going to keep this nice and hot. Probably keep it around 325, 350, just like we would do if it's in the oven, and then we'll probably check on an hour and see what it looks like.
Both times to beat the Bears.
Oh God.
And in the NFC Championship game too.
Ooh, that smells good.
We're gonna taste some jus. That'll do.
Alright Sam, so we're done for today. Where are we going next?
We're gonna go up to our friend Evan's farm. He's Killer Tomato Guy on Instagram. He grows some of the best tomatoes, all kinds of stuff actually, but he's got a bunch of hoop houses with insane varieties of tomatoes that we use on the truck quite a bit.
We're gonna see some goats, is that right?
Goat happy hour.
Yeah.
Goat happy.
Yeah.
Happy hour.
Yeah. Peel the leaves back. See all the yellow powder in there?
You split it down the middle like that, and then you
Put it on your tongue. Touch your tongue to it.
it's like a battery.
Kind of shocking, huh?
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yeah. We're scrambling. It was fucking bad.
Well, we're doing much stuff with Joe.
This is where the magic happens.
Nobody's happy.
This is like the pit room. This is the pit room.
It's just too hot right now, so we're just bottom watering everything, just rotating things on trays into the water over and over again. But we grow with soil blocks. These guys everybody's in their own individual little block, and they air prune once they reach the end of it. So there's no getting root bound. They reach the edge of the block, hit oxygen, and just go. Oh, we'll just chill until you put us in the ground.
That's cool.
As opposed to like growing in plastic where things will get tangled up and have transplant shock. Yeah, so this is fogger. For August, this isn't looking bad. Things have been lowered and leaned. You can see how long these stems are along the ground. So these would be, higher than the roof. So, the tip of that plant goes all the way over here.
Ever seen this purple color on the tomato?
Yeah, that's called anthocyan, the same dye that is in like blueberries and like most purple foods that has like antioxidant properties.
Because we were drying them in here.
Oh, we were drying them in here. That's right. We were hanging them from the roof. Yeah.
Cool.
It's called a coxcomb solution.
This is where you turn the corner for the view, right?
Is it good?
I think it's pretty good. I think it needs a twist. We put it on rocks with a squeeze of lemon.
I was gonna say lemon.
Yeah.
Bada bing.
This is our dry hopped honey mead. Wow. This is more Sam speed here. Try this shit. All right, now this stuff's aged for a year. I haven't cracked this can for a minute. So
It sounded flat when you opened the can, but that's pretty good.
I feel like it got stronger.
Ooh,
Man,
it's good. It aged nice.
that's good.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, enough body.
Have you had sparkling these before?
I have two different kinds. This one is called Mara du Bois, and it's a French heirloom strawberry. And then the bigger ones, that one's got Sun's Gold on it. The bigger ones are called Albions, and those are just a more standard one.
Albion.
Try that. Yeah. Yeah. Which one like?
That's right.
Oh my God, that's good. Oh my goodness. What are the differences between the two strawberries that you guys have?
One of them, the Albion, is really good, classic strawberry. It's bigger and it just has a longer shelf life. It stores better. The little ones are incredible flavor-wise. There's nothing else like them, but they don't hold very long on shelf.
Yeah, I mean, look at the texture of that. How many times you buy a strawberry at the store and it's just straight white all the way through there? And that looks like a fig. It's like falling apart as soon as you tear it apart.
So sweet.
Really, yeah.
Compared to Chisa, same family, but they are different.
I believe they're the same thing. It's just you're gonna have like your Japanese varietals. They're gonna be naming that version of the Paria Shisa.
So we do a little cup of lettuce with a little Shisa leaf in there, and the tri-tip, and then all the bonchon. So.
Yeah, let's do it.
Super sweet,
you.
Jimmy Nardello.
Are these the former
Sweet.
sunflowers?
We plant sunflowers, and then once they get big and beefy, we cut the heads off, and then just use the stalks as a form of trellising.
So instead of paying for T-posts, you've just got naturally planted posts to trellis everything up.
Awesome.
The chaos basket is where we throw all extra seed. So like if we have varietals that like we're like that didn't really turn out, some that we trialed, or if we have like overgrown shit like squash that we didn't pick, we just throw it into the chaos pasture. And the more biodiversity you have in your neighborhood, the more the system checks itself. So you never have one pest take over.
Oh yeah, you're not purposefully trying to like grow something, fix the soil with something else, and then do something else. It's just like, it's just gonna do whatever it does.
A system, a healthy system that has a ton of diversity brings its own answers to its problems.
Let's grow hella corn, let's grow hella paste tomatoes, let's grow extra cherry tomatoes because the demand's always pretty high for that. And then we'll throw in a bunch of pumpkins and we'll just forget about all that shit until the fall. Oh, we've also got our orange okra, you see that?
I was about to. I thought
that'd be over here, but damn.
Isn't that the prettiest?
Ooh.
That's called Chinese orange okra. It's called Jing okra. And this flower's closed, but
These are being super productive.
When it's fresh,
oh,
it's delicious.
Straight up. Fresh corn.
It's not lying. It's good.
Waylon was just chomping on raw ear corn.
Oh, look at that. That's good.
Whoa. was growing it, and it wasn't as productive as the other commercial varieties, but it was hella good. But he didn't have a market for specialty corn, so he started exporting it to Japan, where it became like hella popular. So it became the most popular sweet corn in Japan. And then after it got its sort of like cult following at farmers markets in America, like people are like, give me that Mirai corn. That Mirai is the, you know. So that's that Mirai.
Himalayan blackberries. Problem is,
Originally, this was our piece of land, this like skinny 7 acres here. And then our neighbor who owned this cherry orchard always would walk her dog, like, what are you doing over there? I'm like spreading black plastic everywhere. And I was like, I'm farming. And she's like, that doesn't look like farming. And then every day she'd walk by and he's like, okay, I can see this happening now. And then after a full year, she's like, oh my God, you're really doing farming. So after she saw how I treated the land, she was like, well, I can't really manage this. She's in her 70s, can't really manage this cherry orchard anymore. Do you want to buy it from me? And I was like, absolutely. She sold us these 20 acres directly to our south, and we're gonna convert it into a food forest, increase the diversity of the crops offered. So we've been doing tests between all the cherry trees of different fruiting trees and shrubs. So we've got apricots, figs, currants, gooseberries, all kinds of fruits and shrubs in there, and we're kind of like seeing which varieties we like, which varieties thrive, and then we're going to expand out into the pastures next year with rows of the things that we found did well and can give a sort of lasting seasonal appeal.
I think that's the one we really picked up on all of those things. Yeah, we got the cheesy sausage.
Alright guys, I'm in my hotel room that the guys at Grasslands set me up with, and sheesh. Shout out to Drew, Sam, and Brendan for setting me up for the weekend, man. This is super cool. Can't wait to cook with them tomorrow. Boss man.
Hey! What's up? Morning.
Did I miss the meticulous placement of the links? It's my favorite.
I thought about you while I was
One Saturday and then we're going, so.
Nice.
Meticulously placed links. Makes me feel so happy.
They're okay. This one's a little off.
A little off. That excess fat and silver skin off, right?
This side, it's mostly just the silver skin that we're taking off. But yeah, the nice thing with these is like you gotta trim a decent amount of fat, off, especially the soft stuff. But we really don't lose any meat. And that's pretty much all we do for these.
Ready.
Trimming brisket with the guy whose videos taught us how to trim brisket.
And so we're getting some drinks ready for this weekend, and we're making slushies. What we got?
Yeah, this is like a nod to Sonic cherry limeade slushies.
Nice.
Just testing the bricks. Make sure they don't freeze too hard, or this one's good to go.
Oh, yeah, he also makes his own mineral water that we've been drinking.
Make it ourselves in 5-gallon corny kegs and carb the heck out of it, and it's so refreshing.
We'll have to show you guys later.
Yeah.
Oh, bye. Oh, hi you. Gotcha.
They were nominated for best wine program, and they only have their own wines. All right, where's the parking? What do we do? Where do we go? How do I learn?
Are we about to get killed? Is this the
exactly.
the menu meal right here?
Exactly.
Up there you go. Dang.
Drew.
There you go.
Just on the side of the house.
This one, macerated almost in their 14 days before it was pressed and finished with fermenting barrel. Personal snack is cucumbers from our garden here.
Thank you. I've noticed on my phone, I don't know what's the newest thing? Hard smoked that fire chicken.
Yeah.
We'll do that on the small scale.
Yeah.
What were your croquettes? Salmon. Oh, salmon. The
Skilled blend, so it's an interplanting of multiple varieties that we grafted. And what's cool about it is that it's a rosé made from white and red grapes instead of red grapes going through Chardonnay compote. And all the cuttings come from the Canary Islands.
Oh, sweet corn soup.
Huckleberries from Lost. Honey, this is fabulous.
We're building complexities but without age. The more you macerate, the more tannic things get. It's like cooking. Kind of like this.
What did they say? Oh, there you go.
We just talked about it. I don't think you've seen it, but.
All right, after our fancy meal, we're here at the Red Carpet Inn.
Hood River Restaurant.
Love it.
Well, should we just...
Yeah, get it in your Only the red carpet, man.
There you go. Cheers.
Wait, no, we use gas? Yeah. Come on.
Just another one of those struggles of being on a food truck. Huh? All right.
Whoa.
Honey?
Oh, no. Stripes out. Knuckle savers.
Look at that masterful work right there.
Like same ratio too on both of them.